Welcome to the second episode of our travel drone series. Today, we'll answer a common question. Which drone is right for me? Let's break down essential selection criteria. When preparing for a trip, many struggle to decide which drone to purchase. Balancing budget and features can be challenging, especially for beginners. In this video, we will examine 5 essential selection criteria for travel drones, along with key specifications of leading models on the market. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect drone tailored to your travel style. First, let's cover the 5 key criteria when choosing a travel drone. The primary factor is weight and portability. A compact, foldable design is essential for travel. Under aviation regulations worldwide, drones weighing 250 grams or more require official registration, whereas sub-250-gram drones enjoy far greater regulatory freedom in many countries. Next is flight time. Choose a model offering at least 20 minutes of flight time per battery. Factor in purchasing extra batteries as well as longer flight durations. Provide more opportunities to capture desired footage. Also, evaluate camera performance. Check sensor resolution, mechanical stabilization, and low-light imaging capabilities thoroughly. 4K resolution is now standard, while a 3-axis mechanical gimbal is essential for smooth professional footage. In addition, consider ease of operation. Safety features are crucial for beginner pilots. Look for models featuring automated return to home and obstacle avoidance systems. Choosing established brands with intuitive mobile app connectivity ensures easier control in the field. Finally, consider your budget. Entry-level drones offer great value for beginners, while advanced models feature high-performance sensors and navigation tools. Selecting essential features within your set budget is the wisest approach. Now let's compare key specifications of leading market models. Based on these criteria, the first model is the popular entry-level DJI Mini 4K. Weighing under 249 grams, it features a 12.3-inch sensor capable of 4K video at 30 frames per second. With a maximum flight time of approximately 31 minutes, it offers exceptional value for first-time pilots. The next model is the mid-range DJI Mini 3. Also weighing under 249 grams, it includes a 11.3-inch sensor for 4K HDR video. Equipped with a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, it supports true vertical shooting for social media. Its maximum flight time reaches up to 38 minutes, standing out in its class. Another top-tier option is the advanced DJI Mini 5 Pro. Maintaining a sub-249-gram weight, it packs a large 1-inch sensor capable of 4K video. At 60 frames per second in HDR, it features LiDAR-assisted omnidirectional obstacle sensing for night flights and offers maximum flight times between 34 to 45 minutes, ideal for creators seeking professional results. Also consider the Autel EVO Nano. Weighing 249 grams, it features a 50-megapixel camera that excels in low-light and night shooting scenarios. With a maximum flight time of roughly 28 minutes, it serves as a strong alternative for high-resolution imaging in an ultralight body. Finally, consider the Holystone HS720E. Weighing 495 grams, it is heavier than sub-250-gram options and falls under standard registration requirements in most regions. It features a 4K camera with electronic image stabilization and offers a flight time of around 23 minutes. While budget-friendly, it's higher weight, and registration needs should be kept in mind. To wrap up, here are final recommendations matching your travel style. If your goal is lightweight backpacking or simple travel logs, the DJI Mini 4K or Mini 3 are excellent choices. If you produce professional YouTube vlogs or social media content, consider advanced models like the DJI Mini 5 Pro or Autel EVO Nano. For casual family trips, a mid-range model fits well within budget, while dedicated travel creators should carry extra batteries and balance portability with flight stability. A drone is more than an electronic gadget, it is a companion. Capturing your travel memories from the sky, choose a model that matches your travel habits and skill level to record inspiring journeys from above. In the next episode, we will cover global airspace regulation, principles and flight permission guidelines every travel pilot should know. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you on the next flight. Thank you.